Hi guys, we're rubbish from wood and...
So we picked up some scrap timber that we found laying around the caravan park.
So hi guys.
And we're going to build a little planter box, aren't we, Lincoln?
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
You're welcome.
Keep you updated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember how I showed you? One hand on top. Line it up. Yep, and go. Yep. Keep going. High five, nailed it.
How you going, Dill?
Good.
You going okay?
Yeah, no, I just accidentally picked up the wrong timber. Right, doesn't it?
Oh, it looks good.
Do you ever use?
Now he's screwing. It's all the work kind of job. So there's our bottom plank. Steels just needs to make a few little extra cuts. Then we're going to go through and sand it.
So what I'm doing now is I've got a battery on charge, so I've got to wait for that. I'm just going to make up the little brackets. So this is just an angle bracket from Bunnings. I'm going to cut it probably halfway along there, put another bend in it, so then it just hooks in that windowsill like that, and obviously that'll just be straight down. So here's one little bracket done. And it's just going to sit on the side there, just like that, and then the pressure will hold that in. We're going to have to put some little felts, I think,
Yep.
so it doesn't scratch
That's what
the
I
bus.
came out for, about to say put 2 little felts on the back.
So we've got it all sanded back now, no rough edges is what we were sort of going for. It's a little bit rustic still, which we like, and then we've got a bit of this weed mat to go down, just to hold all the soil in, and then we're going to plant all of our little herbs. What are you doing, Zeffie?
Yeah, done.
So we've got them in place.
I just got to get some extra
I'm
soil.
going to throw some soil on top, and then we'll cut all the excess weed mat off.
Do we learn anything?
Watch out. No, Zeph.
So while you're cutting that, Callie,
Yeah.
what have you got in there?
So, I've got a few of our favourite herbs.
Yep. Happy herb?
No. So, I've got dill down the end here.
Dill.
Yeah. I've got lettuce. We'll see how it grows in here. It might get a little bit big, but it's a cos, so I'm hoping it will grow up. We've got chives here. We've got basil here. Oh no, that's parsley, Kelly.
Rookie.
No, basil. No, we got basil
Keep
and
it.
Italian parsley.
Okay.
Sorry.
What do you think?
Stoked. Stoked.
we have a
Look
look?
at it.